Motherfuckers don't know how to pour a beer, right? Look at this. It's just a fucking freezer glass. Fucking, there's no fucking curvatures, nothing. This is how you pour a Cuba Sparkling. Just open the fucking thing. You pour on an angle. You let it go in there. You let it go slowly. But you just keep that angle. That beautiful fucking angle. You don't fucking need to wash this glass of a fucking head of crap. It's so easy to pour a Cuba Sparkling. If you have any idea of how to pour a fucking beer. Look at that. The whole fucking beer's in there. And look how much head I've got. Fuck all, motherfucker. That is the fucking shizniz fucking pouring of fucking Cuba Sparkling. Bitch! And the story. We need to educate these people. There's a cruel world out there.